深夜2時に何万人かが起きていた。乃木坂新16がオールナイトニッポンに出演したのは、グループの歴史の中で複数回ある。深夜のラジオ番組という場所はテレビと違う。台本の外に出やすい。予定していなかった話が出てくる。そういう空気がある番組だ。今回の放送では芸人ゲストを迎えた回で異常事態と表現される出来事が起きた。リスナーの間で話題になり、SNS 上でその放送内容についての言及が広がった。具体的にどんな発言や出来事があったかは、放送を聞いたリスナーたちの反応から広まっている。乃木坂新16のオールナイトニッポンは、メンバーが通常のアイドル的な立ち振る舞いから少し外れる場面が生まれやすい番組として知られている。深夜という時間帯、ラジオというメディアの性質、そしてゲストとのやりとりが重なると予測できない展開になることがある。芸人ゲストとのコラボという形式自体は珍しくない。でも今回の放送では運営側の判断や番組の進行に対してリスナーからこれは普通じゃないという反応が出た。運営が直接関与する形での何らかの動きがあったとされ、それが異常事態という言葉で語られている。ねえ、と思った人も多かったはずだ。ラジオでそこまで起きるのと。
And that's the contradiction. That's actually what sitting with punishing visibility. That's the problem here. And it's not unique to Nogizaka 46 or even to idol culture. It's just more visible here because the group structure makes the hierarchy explicit. State it plainly: when a young performer gets good at their job quickly and the response from parts of the fan base is slowed down, where your turn, that's no loyalty. The senior members, that discomfort with disruption dressed up as respect, did not expect to feel this clearly about it. But here we are. Why does it happen? Because idol groups are not just music fact. They are emotional investment. Fans attached to specific members, to specific eras, specific version of the group. When a new generation accelerates past exceptions, it disabilities those investment. The fan who has spotted a third generation members to 5 years was a fifth generation members get the variety slot that should have gone to their person, and it felt like a loose, not rational maybe, but real criticism through lands on the wrong target, entirely calling out a specific member for being too visible, too capable to present that direction. Frustration at the that direction frustration at the person doing the least wrong is the second century. She showed up. She was good. A producer noticed that's not transgression. That's the job. This tells me something about how precious investment distorts accountability. The aged target is always the new visible face rather than the structural decision behind costing and scheduling. It's harder to critique a system. It's easier to say one person is making too much. The fifth generation variety performance is not the problem. The speed is real, the talent is document, and frankly that's good. For Nogizaka 46 as a whole, a group that produces compelling new talent quickly is a growth. Does idol fandom actually wants its artist grow? Disturb the exciting ordered question mark.